students. Here we have given our topic. Today's topic is latent heat, and the review is this: that already I have completed the melting, boiling, condensation, freezing, and I have completed the flow chart also. And for the topic I am going to tell you in a Zoom class, that is latent heat. Now I am giving the video also to you. Okay, so what is the latent? When the word came latent, it means it is hidden. Hidden means छुपा हुआ. Now, one example I would like to tell you, like in our hand, if we put a ice, हमने ice को रखा in our hand, the slowly ice melts and changes into the liquid. ठीक? It means that heat is not visible, but it is coming from our hand. मीन्स वो हीट जो हमें नहीं दिखाई दे रही है, वो हमारे हैंड से निकल रही है. देन व्हाट इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ लेटेंट. लेटेंट मीन्स हिडन. सो लेटेंट हीट इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स. वन इज फ्यूजन एंड सेकेंड इज वेपराइजेशन. नाउ द फ्यूजन सेकेंड नेम वी कैन से एज मेल्टिंग ऑल्सो. In this one, what we have to do, there is solid may change into the liquid changes. Okay, this diagram is also be there. So in this diagram they are showing about the latent heat of fusion. What they want to say now, there is no rise in temperature during the melting of ice. When there is a melting of ice is when the solid is changed into the liquid in a heating process. Then what they are saying, there is no rise in temperature. The heat which is going into ice but not increasing the temperature. Very important this thing. The heat which is going into ice but not increasing the temperature is the energy required to change the state of ice from solid to liquid. Yesterday also I have told to you about this thing, that the latent heat of fusion of a solid is the quantity of heat in joules required to convert 1 kg of solid without any change in temperature. Now in this one, what the thing is there, which one value will come, like 3.34 into 10 to the power 5. 3.34 10 to the power 5 joules per kg is needed to change the solid into the liquid state. This much amount of heat we needed. 3.34 10 to the power 5 joule. Okay. Now after this I have given some questions also to you. From here I have given the questions to write down in your copy. Okay, after this we can say in an important way, ice at 0 degrees Celsius is more effective in cooling a substance than water at 0 degrees Celsius. Now next is latent heat of vaporization. Now liquid is again changed into the gas. For solid is changed into the liquid is changed into the gas. Now as the liquid is changed into the gas, it means latent heat of vaporization. At that time the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. What will happen then? While the temperature remain constant at 100 degrees Celsius, temperature remain constant at 100 degrees Celsius until all the water has changed into the steam. So they are saying fully ice is changed into the steam, is fully water, fully liquid is changed into the steam. At that time the temperature remain constant, that is 100 degrees Celsius. Here this much amount of joules of heat we need, 22.5 into 10 to the power 5 joules per kg to change the liquid into the gaseous form. On that day I have given some questions to you, so this also the questions will be here. Next we are telling, when water change into steam, it absorbs latent heat. Water is changed into steam, it absorbs a latent heat. But when steam condensed from water, an equal amount of latent heat is given out. ठीक है, means is this, if we are giving an equal amount, if we are using a water here, then what they are saying equal amount of latent heat is given out. जो latent heat होगी वो given out इसमें होगी. फिर it has been found that burns caused by steams are much more served than the caused by boiling water. They are saying steam giving a more hotness rather than the boiling of water. Steam means as our mother is making a chapati, and if for 1 second if that steam will come on our hand, if we feel too much hot, but this hotness is too much in a steam rather than the boiling of water. So this is the year which I have completed yesterday, and next we will start the sublimation. Okay, so video also I will say to you of the sublimation, and the second thing is there, when our Zoom class is there, then I will start with the sublimation. Okay, so thank you students and have a nice day.